Surat sir, there were some reports of censor board objecting to few words, which we were quite surprised, So is it true? I mean, 3 words or so, there were some objections. Did it happen?
Yeah, that is true. There was some objection, but there was nothing out of box. It is in context of the picture, which easily we removed. So there was no,
But were you like, I mean, did you agree with it?
of
Because they're,
course.
yeah.
No, I agreed because actually they not affecting the story.
Okay.
So it was easily removed. We were prepared also.
What is that song? In the song only it was there, no? How does it go? Huh?
No, in the song, we have a Ram Leela song. Usme there were certain parodies of films. So we were told we should not keep. So we removed. It became much more neat.
How did from the song it moved into the parody? How did it
No,
go?
he wants me to sing. No, no.
Listen na. Arey, but
Suraj
actually
ji
narrate that
गाइए.
to me, na. Narrate it to me.
Let's
na,
all
so we
clap for
narrate.
Suraj ji and we can hear him sing.
You clap, you not do it. Just narrate that to me, na. From that.
No, his introduction starts first with Nach Meri Bulbul. It starts with that. And then, of course, it goes to Hone de aaj halla, dekhe gali mohalla, चाहत के माथे चंदन का टीका है राम सीता इसमें शर्मो हया की रस्में जिनमें मोहब्बतों का तरीका सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला राम सिया की देखो निराली प्रेम लीला सो उसमें नाचो मेरी बुलबुल दैट वी हैड टू रिमूव
So
he
then,
made me sing.
yeah, from there, so it was a parody. From there, it goes into Nach Meri Bulbul, then it goes into another one as well, no?
मार दिया जाए छोड़
हाँ.
दिया जाए सो
अब वो आप सेंसर बोर्ड से पूछो.
Salman, talking
Sal-
about, yeah, Salman Lipika. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Talking about the childlike quality, you have one in you. Would you like to expose it to the media
मेरे में
today?
child है.
Not that one.
मैं उसी को जन्म
Not
दे
the
दूं?
9-month wala. Not the childlike quality. And how have you maintained the
You know, but
innocence?
just
how have you-
innocence से
innocence
मुझे, वही.
intact?
वही. It's there.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Would you like
This
to?
is where the innocence is. Innocence से हमको when we were showing, I'll take name also. Yeah. So no, but it's a superb name to take. So मैंने प्यार किया was just complete the rush stage. So I was calling all my friends and everybody. I was to work out at the Sea Rock. So everyone from Sea Rock came. So Zeenat Aman was there. She used to work out there at the Sea Rock. She at that point in time was married to Mazhar Khan. So I said, come and see the film, Zeenat ji. So she came to see the film. She came out of the film. She says, I said, what? This is, I mean, this is childish. It's not a love story. So I said, why do you say that? He said, I'm going to shut my eyes and you are rubbing Idex on the ankle. So I said, because the scene was actually such that she got hurt below her knee, but Bhagishi said that I will not show my knee. So I think from there, Mai ni Mai Mude. ये गाना आया. So we had it on the ankle. But this is ridiculous. This is, I can understand ki mid-thigh per, and you rubbing, and there you say that, that I'll shut my eyes. I can understand that. But ankle and... I told him. He said, but now what to do? That happened. So Bhagyashri unknowingly has contributed a lot to our thing. There came a kiss thing. So I said, kiss, abhi kaise karunga? I said, Suraj Babu, I am slightly uncomfortable with it. He said, you're uncomfortable? So you thought I can still convince. She is still refusing to do it. So refusing? This is a love story. This is, that one kiss. Not thodi ke, there's no spit swapping happening. There's no smooching happening there. It's just that. So I said, that? Okay. That much, just one. That much. So, this is a Rajshri film, yeah? So, I said, okay, chalo. She said, no. So, walking around. What it does. Then now the belt is gone shorter. One belt used to be going throughout. Then one pen used to be here. वो पूरा ink यहाँ पर गिरा हुआ है. Walking, two 20-year-olds walking, one walking this side, one walking that side. He said, done. Does not need to do it. Huh? कांच लेके आओ. I said, this is brilliant. So that kaanch has come because then came short dress. She had agreed to wear the short dress. Now she's getting married. So she said, no short dress, Himalaya mountain is written on there. I said, मेरी बीवी short dress नहीं पहनेगी. So I said, ये लो. So I said, now what to do? So I said, me getting angry, blank, he thinking, angry. That's it. Done. He says, your heroine is for your eyes. My wife is for my eyes. Nobody needs to see. वो रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा लेके आओ. What's that? वो फोल्डिंग वाला रिफ्लेक्टर होता था. तो गोल्ड रिफ्लेक्टर का कपड़ा काटे उन लोग ने दो को ज्वाइन किया और पीछे से दिखाया कि ये शॉट है. And they were like,
No, but honestly, what he and Bhagyashree did really made the film because you suddenly know that this is Maryada. Nothing works better anywhere than Grace, you know.
हाय सलमान, वसीम है फ्रॉम इंडिया न्यूज़. सबसे पहले धनतेरस की ढेर सारी
आपके सवाल का जवाब मिल गया ना?
हाँ है. मैंने प्यार किया से आप ओवरनाइट सुपरस्टार तो बन गए थे, लेकिन शायद हमने ये सुना कि कई सालों तक स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था फिर से अपने आप को एज ए हीरो लॉन्च करने के लिए तलाश रहे थे. लेकिन हर डायरेक्टर हर प्रोड्यूसर यही चाहता था कि आपको भाग्यश्री के साथ एज ए कपल साइन करे.
प्रॉब्लम ये तो हिमालय नहीं चाहते थे ना, हिमालय को उन्हीं के साथ काम करना था. So at that point in time when Bhagyashree quit, तो it became like ये तो पिक्चर भाग्यश्री की है. सलमान खान तो was just lucked out fluke. In that time, one producer came and signed me, and his name was Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh Reshammiya must have been about 15 and a half years old. Seriously.
Okay.
Before the film released, Himesh Reshammiya and Bubby Kent were the two people who signed me. But the first one to sign me and start shooting, Bubby Kent was still waited. You know, कि picture चलेगी नहीं चलेगी, all that. But Himesh did 2 days of shooting at ये अपना लालबाग का जो राजा है ना, that whole street, huh? Yeah. He shot with me there. So it was, before the release, I was still shooting for Maine Pyar Kiya. So he could, get away with that. So he was the one. And so in this song also, Chandi ki dal par sone ka mor was a song that was recorded for that film. They remember that name of the film was called Yuva. Okay. And after that, Maine Pyar Kiya.
But Maine Pyar Kiya ke baad, Sanam, remember you telling me 6 months tak no one is...
No work.
No work.
I used to call him, I said, Suraj Babu, biggest film ever. Bigger than my father's film, Sholay. My father is saying, I'm so glad कि मेरे बेटे ने मेरा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा. तो I said, Dad, आपके पास पिक्चर है बहुत थी उसके बाद यहाँ पर कोई नहीं आ रहा. So then Deepak Shivdasani, I remember, came to me with a remake of, I think it was a Bengali film. And so the Mithunda and 17 Brothers. It was a very old film that he wanted to make a remake of. So I met him at the Sea Rock and he says कि ये है and जो 17वां भाई है ना सबसे छोटा वाला वो तू है. As it is कुछ हो नहीं रहा है उसके ऊपर से दीपक शिवदसानी. And so I didn't even feel like eating anything. क्या कुछ खाएगा ऐसे क्या खाऊं अभी भूख ही मार दिया. So and I decided at that point in time कि now is back to direction. I should be an assistant now. इसके बाद 6 महीने तक कोई काम ही नहीं. अब इसके बाद क्या काम मिलेगा? So I said let it go. And then I saw this one woman walking in a red sari. So in the Sea Rock, I still straight remember the visual. So I said I'll go into direction. I'll start directing. I'll start writing because I don't want to do this kind of stuff. तो ऐसे पागल हो गया अपने आप को समझता क्या है. All that stuff happened. तो he said, क्या है तेरे पास? Script क्या है तेरे पास? तो I said, I've got this one plot of, and I can see this girl walking. I've got this one plot of this girl who is been broken down into becoming a prostitute. And this one guy who goes with his friends there and they, save her and they get out of that and he eventually ends up marrying her. Bagi. ये हुआ conversation. He said, now, he said, सुनाएगा मेरे को? तो I said, हाँ सुन लो. तो he said, कब? तो I said, कभी भी अगले महीने. नहीं मुझे कल सुना दे. Now I had to go back and write the whole one line of the film. So I wrote the whole film. As soon as I ran from Sea Rock, came home, started writing that whole one line. In that time came, my dad has spoken to Mr. GP Sippy कि मेरे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं हो रहा सर, सबसे बड़ी हिट होगी, 6 महीने तक कोई भी नहीं आया है. Nobody, no A, no B, no C grade, nobody has come home to sign me for a film. तो he said, sir वो एक announcement दे दो. So then GPCP Saab gave the announcement. Ramesh Turani was very instrumental in getting me the second film because he heard that GPCP had signed the me for a movie. Just an announcement. He has gone and signed the music at that point of time for 5 lakh rupees. So the film Patthar Ke Phool was made because of that 5 lakh rupees that GPCP gave, that Mr. Ramesh Turani gave Mr. GPCP. So वहाँ से then there was a lot of
Hi Salman sir.
films. Yeah.
Sir, hi Suvigya. My name is Suvigya. सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको बर्थडे की एडवांस में विशेस देना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि शायद तब तो मैं आपके पास होऊंगा नहीं विश करने के लिए. सर ये जानना चाहता था कि 27 ईयर्स में उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको क्या एक कुछ चेंजेस आए सर के साथ काम करने में, लाइक उस टाइम में और इस टाइम में आपको कुछ ऐसा लगा कि?
I don't think there's any change. The rapport is the same. In fact, I mean we understood each other as well then as well as we understand each other now. So that connect, that bonding is very very strong. And जब तक the actor and director का bonding नहीं होता, the chemistry between the girl and the boy will never come across. So because the writer, the director has to bond really well with the actor. And now because we've been friends for such a long time, our careers have started together. Rashtri's, I'm here because of Rashri and Suraj Babu. So our journey has been like really, really very comfortable, very, very comfortable.
But for this film, when I went to him with the script, he's wanting to go back and back and back. I said, 27 saal, he wants to go back. He has understood the script much more than me. He's made it purer and purer. There's a part in this, Arman is playing a villain. So he dies in the end. So one day Arman came to me. I said, सूरज जी मैं सलमान भाई मुझे बोले कि बहुत अच्छा एंड सोचा है. मैंने कहा क्या? बोले नहीं वो एंड में तुम मर रहे हो ना. तो बोले नहीं सूरज बरजाते के पीछे क्यों विलन मरे? वो बोलता है मैं भी मैंने बोला तो ही सेइंग कि नहीं मुझे मारो, मुझे मरने तो मुझे जिंदा नहीं रहना है. आई वांट टू डाई. But that's what he believes. He said like it as pure, as pure, as pure.
Suraj Barjatya film, if we cannot turn the negative into positive, then, but we've not done it. We'll do the next one. But yeah, that would have been so lovely. कि इस इतनी सारी positivity के अंदर एक negative आदमी यहाँ पर I should not be, वो खुद हाथ छुड़ा देता है. But we didn't have time to shoot that.
Okay, Salman sir,
But I really want to tell everyone that please see this film because our endeavor here is to get Salman Bhai back into family mode, and my personal motivation has been that through this character, if we are able to change people, for good. You change people, if we can change a family, if we can, because this is a platform in Salman Khan which has such a big connect with the common man, and what he says was here, what he's saying is very subtle, but he can change people. That's what I would like, people to go to see his films in future.
Okay, Salman sir, मेरा सवाल
I'll just take one question and wrap up there. Okay, since he already started speaking.
This film is not about the numbers. This film is not about promoting it, that you must go and see the film. This film is about go and see it with the family.
Okay.
If you're alone, one or two, see when you go, whenever you get time. whenever you get time, go and see this film with your family. सबको घेर घार के लेके आओ. You know, make this as, you know, when we used to go for picnics with the family, make this one outing with your whole parivar. Trust me, you will love it.
Salman,
It's a
Sal-
full on entertaining film. You will love it.